Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance redeem code. First, you will need to log into your Binance account, either through the website or the mobile application. If you are using the website, simply scroll to the bottom of the page and locate the gift card option under the Products section. For app users, tap on More from your home screen, then select Gift Card to proceed to the next step. Once you are on the dedicated gift card page, you will see several options. Look for the Redeem tab, which is where you will initiate the redemption process. Within this tab, choose Redeem to Crypto to ensure the funds are directly added to your Binance wallet. This action is crucial for instantly crediting your digital assets without any delays. Now, it's time to enter your unique redeem code. This code is a 16-character sequence of letters and numbers. Carefully type or paste the code into the designated field. It is very important to double-check the code for any errors to ensure a successful redemption. After verifying, simply tap or click the Redeem button to finalize the process and credit the funds to your account. Using Binance redeem codes offers several fantastic benefits. Firstly, there are absolutely no fees involved when sending or redeeming these codes, making it a cost-effective solution. Secondly, the funds are credited instantly to your Binance funding wallet, providing immediate access to your digital assets. These codes offer a secure and flexible way to transfer and manage various cryptocurrencies, simplifying your crypto experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.